Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Microsoft Authenticator app if it's not working on your iPhone. So without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down and tap on General. Then scroll down again and tap on iPhone Storage. This page lists all installed apps on your phone. Find and select the Authenticator app from this list. Once you're on the apps page, tap Offload app. Wait a moment, then tap Reinstall app. The app will start loading, which means it's updating to the latest version. If you recently got a new phone or encountered issues with the app, this process will help ensure you have the latest version, fixing any bugs from previous versions. I tried this method myself and it worked perfectly. I hope this helps you too. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.